I've got a quick project, a decoration that's perfect for kids or your seasonal marketplace. All the files needed for this, I'll leave them in the description. Printing them on good old printer paper is the quickest way to do this. I prefer cutting them out and cutting around them than tracing them on the materials. The wood I'm using here is a mix of 3/4 inch pine and 3/4 inch plywood. Remains from previous projects. Another attempt at lowering my scrap pile today. I used simply glue sticks to set them down, then headed to the bandsaw where I took my time and cut them out. This is the perfect job for a scroll saw, but I don't have one, so this will do. Take your time, separate them piece by piece first. For tight angles, do relief cuts. Come back from the other side and get it nice and tight. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. It really helps the channel, thanks to all subscribers. For smaller pieces, make sure to stay safe. I know my way around this, but it's easy to get too close. All done. They look great. Taking your time here avoids having to do any sanding. For such a project, I'm skipping that entirely. Glue all the parts in place. The main body template explains where to align them. I made 4 of the front hands, but only needed 2. I'm not great at following instructions. One of them doesn't have or need them apparently. I like how they made ears not arrive equal. It gives it a more live look to it. All dry. Remove any printed templates left and paint it all white. I use the same white I painted my office with. It's quick, seasonal decorations, and it'll do. No need to waste expensive outdoor paints for this, unless you plan to use them outdoors, of course. Now, this project could be done, but I decided to push it a little further and add eyes to it. I bought those eyes to make an owl box last year, which is on my channel too, and they're the perfect size for this. Hot glue in a few minutes and they're in place. Now, since I had the hot glue out, I decided to add those cotton swabs over the cut tails, which looks much better than a little wood bump. Now they're done, looking great, and I'm excited to show them to my youngest daughter, which I'm sure will love them for Easter tomorrow. This is a great project to involve kids in the shop or just make nice festive decorations. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.